How to spot, report, and protect yourself from deepfakes. Today, we're diving into one of the fastest growing cyber threats, deepfakes, and how they've evolved to become more dangerous and harder to detect. I'll explain how deepfakes work, how to spot them, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from their potential harm. The evolution of deepfakes. So, what exactly is a deepfake? In simple terms, deepfakes are AI generated videos or audio that make someone appear to say or do something they didn't. Deepfakes started as crude, almost laughable manipulations in 2017. But today, thanks to generative adversarial networks, GANs, a technique where two AI systems work together to improve the fake content, they've become nearly impossible to distinguish from real videos. Here's the kicker. Modern deepfakes can replicate facial expressions, voices, and even micro gestures with stunning accuracy. This technology has evolved beyond memes and entertainment. It's now being used for political manipulation, corporate scams, and even identity theft. The current threat of deepfakes. Deepfakes today are more than just a curiosity. They've become a serious threat in several key areas. Politics. We've seen deepfakes of political figures delivering fake speeches, potentially influencing elections or causing unrest. Corporate fraud. Criminals are using deepfakes to impersonate executives, tricking employees into sending money or sharing confidential information. Identity theft. Deepfake technology can mimic your face or voice to bypass security systems, putting personal and financial data at risk. With technology advancing so rapidly, it's becoming easier for even non-experts to create convincing deepfakes, and that's where the danger lies. How to spot a deepfake. So, how do you spot a deepfake? While they're getting more realistic, there are still some red flags. Facial inconsistencies. Look for unnatural blinking, exaggerated facial movements, or lip syncing issues. Distorted features. Sometimes the AI struggles to keep features like eyes or ears aligned, especially when the subject moves their head. Odd lighting or shadows. Check if the lighting or shadows on the face don't match the background. Glitches in detail. Pay attention to small details like hair, jewelry, or clothing. These often appear glitchy in deepfakes. Unnatural audio. When it comes to audio deepfakes, listen to awkward pauses or strange intonations that don't match the subject's usual speech patterns. The technology is improving fast, so it's important to stay sharp when you suspect something might be fake. Reporting deepfakes. If you encounter a deepfake, it's critical to report it. Here's how. Social media platforms. Most major platforms like Facebook and YouTube have reporting options for fake or misleading content. Use those tools to flag suspicious videos. Law enforcement. If a deepfake is being used for criminal purposes, like fraud or blackmail, contact law enforcement or a local cybercrime unit. Corporate channels. If your company or its executives are targeted, notify the cybersecurity team immediately. News outlets. For large-scale or political deepfakes, alerting reputable news outlets can help to quickly debunk misinformation. The faster you report it, the faster it can be removed and fact-checked. to protect yourself from deepfakes. Now let's talk about defense. What can you do to protect yourself from deepfakes? Use AI detection tools. Tools like Microsoft's Video Authenticator or Deepware can scan media files for signs of manipulation. These tools are getting better, but remember, deepfakes are improving too, so stay vigilant. Biometric security. Companies and individuals can adopt biometric verification systems that go beyond facial recognition, such as heartbeat or motion detection, which are harder to spoof. Two-factor authentication. Always use 2FA for your accounts. Even if deepfakes mimic your face or voice, 2FA adds a layer of security that's tough to crack. Digital watermarking. Some platforms are now embedding digital watermarks in videos to help authenticate content. This is especially useful for content creators and organizations. Education and awareness. One of the best defenses is awareness. Educating yourself, your employees, or your community about deepfakes will make everyone more cautious and less likely to fall victim to manipulation. The future of deepfakes. As deepfake technology continues to improve, the threats are likely to increase. We're already seeing real-time deepfakes where someone can be impersonated during live video calls or interviews. But while the threat is growing, so too are efforts to counter them. Governments, social media platforms, and cybersecurity companies are working to create better detection tools and regulations. It's crucial to stay informed and proactive. Deepfakes represent a new frontier in digital deception, and only by understanding the threat can we properly defend against it. Conclusion. Deepfakes are here to stay, and they're getting more sophisticated by the day. But by learning how to spot them, reporting them quickly, and using available tools to protect yourself, you can reduce their impact. Let me know in the comments if you've ever encountered a deepfake, or if you have any other questions about the topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.